The demand for premium rollators is surging, extending surprisingly to marathon typists and gamers seeking secure mobile seating and quick house navigation between intense sessions. This comprehensive guide evaluates the best rollator walkers on the market, strictly analyzing their folding switch type.
Product number 1. Drive Medical RTL 10266CF Nitro Elite CF Foldable Rollator Walker with Seat, Black. The Drive Medical RTL 10266CF Nitro Elite CF is the undisputed luxury sports car of mobility aids. Designed with an incredibly sleek, black carbon fiber frame, this rollator weighs a mere 12 pounds while safely supporting up to 300 pounds. For typists and gamers constantly moving around their home setup, the uncompromised build quality offers both lightweight agility and profound stability. Its layout features a generously comfortable seat, ergonomic height-adjustable handles, and a remarkably convenient removable storage bag that securely fastens even when folded. Speaking of folding, the Nitro Elite boasts a brilliant one-handed switch-type folding mechanism. You simply pull the seat grip to instantly collapse the walker side to side for tight storage. Advanced safety elements include sophisticated brake cables neatly routed inside the sleek frame, preventing snags on furniture or gaming wires. Enhanced by oversized 10-inch front wheels that effortlessly navigate uneven flooring, this carbon fiber marvel delivers spectacular value for those seeking premium, top-tier maneuverability and sophisticated style.
Product number 2. Drive Medical RTL 10266 Nitro Euro-style 4-wheel rollator walker with seat, red. For those who want vibrant aesthetics alongside rugged performance, the Drive Medical RTL 10266 Nitro Euro-style rollator in bold red is a phenomenal choice. Engineered from a robust yet lightweight aluminum frame, it expertly balances heavy-duty build quality with striking contemporary design. Its highly practical layout includes a comfortable nylon seat, a built-in backrest, and a sleek, zippered storage pouch, perfect for transporting tablets, controllers, or daily essentials. Much like its carbon fiber sibling, this model utilizes an intuitive cross-brace switch-type folding design, allowing it to seamlessly fold side to side with a single, one-handed pull. Gamers or riders needing to traverse varied terrain will appreciate the massive 10-inch front casters, which ensure exceptionally smooth, bump-free turning across carpets and outdoor pathways. Safety remains paramount, with the brake cables cleverly enclosed within the frame to avoid any hazards. Delivering high-end European styling, impeccable durability, and a 300-pound weight capacity, the Nitro Euro style provides tremendous value for individuals desiring reliable, stylish daily mobility. Product number 3. Drive Medical Rollator Walker with Seat, Stable Mobility Support, Height Adjustable, Durable Steel Frame Construction, Smooth 7.5-inch Wheels, Foldable. If durability and classic functionality are your top priorities, this Drive Medical Rollator Walker with a durable steel frame construction is a rock-solid investment. Offering unmatched sturdiness, the heavy-duty steel build quality is engineered to confidently support heavier weights, providing immense peace of mind for daily users. The walker's layout is meticulously designed for straightforward comfort, featuring a well-padded seat, an ergonomic backrest, and a spacious under-seat basket to carry personal items effortlessly. It glides wonderfully on smooth 7.5-inch non-marring wheels, making it perfectly suited for tight indoor maneuvering around desks and gaming stations, as well as moderate outdoor use. In terms of operation, the straightforward folding switch type allows the walker to collapse quickly for simple transport in a vehicle trunk. The height-adjustable handles come equipped with loop-lock brakes that are highly responsive, giving you immediate control. Blending tank-like steel reliability, comfortable seating, and essential storage, this Drive Medical Rollator presents outstanding overall value for budget-conscious buyers seeking uncompromising stability.
Product number 4. Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker with Seat for Seniors. 16-inch enlarged seat, 350-pound sturdy frame. 16 by 12-inch seat, 1.9-inch thick. 8-inch big wheels. The Homeland Foldable Rollator Walker completely redefines seating comfort with its significantly enlarged 1.9-inch thick padded seat. Measuring 16 by 12 inches, this luxurious layout ensures that typists or gamers needing a legitimate rest stop aren't stuck perching on a thin vinyl strip. Supporting up to 350 pounds, the robust frame guarantees exceptional build quality and wobble-free security. The heavy-duty 8-inch big wheels easily conquer rough outdoor surfaces, thick carpets, and uneven thresholds without breaking a sweat. Adjustability is a massive strong suit. Both the ergonomic handles and the seat height can be modified to accommodate various user heights seamlessly. To pack it away, a simple pull strap acts as the folding switch type, collapsing the unit safely without risking pinched fingers. Featuring superior thick seating and high weight capacity, alongside of highly adaptable customizable frame, the Homeland Rollator delivers massive value for users demanding enhanced comfort during prolonged resting periods both indoors and out.
Product number 5. Medline Steel Rollator Walker with Seat, Burgundy, 350-pound weight capacity, 6-inch wheels, foldable, adjustable handles, rolling walker for seniors, Walker 4. Medline Steel Rollator Walker in a rich burgundy finish is a brilliantly reliable, no-nonsense mobility solution that champions heavy-duty endurance. Boasting a staggering 350-pound weight capacity, its reinforced steel build quality ensures it can easily handle rigorous daily use without structural compromise. The layout emphasizes practicality, featuring a thick, comfortable padded seat and a convenient underseat storage bag that keeps your hands free while moving around your home or office. It rolls smoothly on sturdy 6-inch wheels, which are highly optimized for precise, tight corner turning across flat indoor surfaces and smooth pavement. Its folding mechanism acts as an effortless switch type, breaking down the frame into a compact footprint for quick closet storage or vehicle transport. The handles are fully height adjustable, ensuring proper posture, while the intuitive squeeze brakes offer dependable stopping power. Combining unmatched steel strength, user-friendly functionality, and a beautiful burgundy aesthetic, this Medline Rollator is an exceptional value pick for absolute, unwavering stability.
Product number 6. Medline Premium and Power Folding Mobility Rollator Walker with Memory Foam Seat, black and blue, 300-pound weight capacity, 8-inch wheels, cup holder, rolling. The Medline Premium and Power Folding Mobility Rollator is a masterclass in innovative design, standing out with its unique step-inside layout. By flipping the extra-wide memory foam seat up, users can walk entirely inside the frame, vastly improving posture and allowing closer access to countertops or gaming desks. The premium build quality safely supports 300 pounds, while keeping the frame surprisingly lightweight at just 17 pounds without accessories. It features oversized 8-inch wheels for exceptional multi-terrain navigation, a convenient folding cup holder, and high-visibility neon adjustment points. The folding switch-type mechanism is brilliantly executed. The handles easily turn inward, allowing the Rollator to fold completely flat for tight storage or air travel. Packed with specialized storage options, including an underseat neoprene bag and boasting a plush memory foam seating experience, the Empower represents phenomenal value. It perfectly blends cutting-edge accessibility features with superior all-day comfort, making it a highly versatile companion for both active lifestyles and indoor relaxation.